Hi guys, and welcome to DIY Ideas, and welcome again to a new pattern tutorial. This is a really cute hole pattern. It's really easy to crochet. It's made of single crochets and chain stitches. It's this beautiful little color fade wool, which also has some white in it. And this is the wool. This is what it looks like. There's a lot of yellow in it also, but here what I showed you is just kind of the pink. It's really easy. It's really simple, great for beginners. And it's just the mix of chain stitches and single crochets. I did this pretty thin here with a 4.5 crocheting hook. And I'm going to show you the wool, obviously, with a little more detail in a minute. And maybe you saw this one also in my haul video. And yeah, we're going to start now. Have fun. Okay, guys, so this is the wool that I'm going to use for this really cute pattern. This is a wool from Action. It's a really nice color fade wool with beautiful summer tones, yellows, orange, pinks, and some white. And so I'm going to start here for this pattern with chain stitches that are a multiple of 4 plus 3 stitches. So I'm going to choose 12 chain stitches plus 3, so 15 in total. Okay, we start here, 15 chain stitches. 1, 2. I'm actually using my 4.5 crocheting hook, just like it says on the packaging. Adjust the camera. Here's number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Okay, so 15 chain stitches. And this is how we start as a base. And then you can obviously make this bigger or slimmer. Just add 4 or subtract 4. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to skip the first 5 stitches. So the 3 that were meant for height anyway, and then another 2. And so into the 6th one, we do single crochets into this one and into the next one. This is the next one right next to the first. Then we do 3 chain stitches. And just like I had at the beginning here for height, then again we skip 2 stitches. And into the 3rd one, again, we continue. We do a single crochet and then another single crochet right next to it. Then we have 4 left. I'm going to skip 2, and into the last 2, we're going to do the single crochets. But first we do 3 chain stitches, and into the last 2 here we do single crochets, 1 each. All right, and then our first row is already done. Here at the really beginning you can see the chain stitches, and then here we have the other 2 loops here that we did in the middle. And now we go backwards. So we start here with 3 chain stitches. 3. We turn it all around, and then here we have this little loop, and around this loop made out of chain stitches we do 1, 2 single crochets. Then again we do 3 chain stitches, and we search for the next loop that is here, and around these chain stitches again we do 2 single crochets. As you can see, it's a really simple pattern, just a mix between single crochets and chain stitches. So we do 2 single crochets and then 3 chain stitches. 3 chain stitches here, and then around this loop we do 2 single crochets. Here you can see what it looks like. You can see these nice little holes. It's a beautiful hole pattern, I think. Again, here we start with 3 chain stitches. We turn it around, and then here around the loop we do 2 single crochets, number 1 and number 2. Then again we do 3 chain stitches. Then into the next loop we do 2 single crochets. All right, 1, 2, 3 chain stitches into the last loop. This is this one. From the very beginning, from the beginning of the earlier row, and we do 2 single crochets again. And you can see what this looks like and how nice this whole pattern actually looks like and how easy it actually is. I'm going to do one more row here, so 3 chain stitches. It's always 3 chain stitches and 2 single crochets. 3 chain stitches and 2 single crochets. 3 chain stitches and 2 single crochets over here. Okay, and then here we have this next row ready. I'm going to continue doing this a little more and then I'll show you an update in a little bit. Alright guys, so here's my update for you guys, and you can see the color fade a lot better here now. It's still a very slow fade, but it's really pretty. I love that it's switching between the colors so slowly. And obviously, yeah, we're still missing the oranges and yellows here. We just have the hot pink that goes over to more of a apricot color. But I think this is beautiful. The color fade is great. And yeah, as you can see, the pattern is really simple. You can see the little loops up here that obviously you would put the single stitches on in the next row. What I really like about this pattern is that you really don't have to think very much. It's the 3 chain stitches and the 2 single crochets. You always start with the chain stitches and then very simply you just go around the chain stitches of the row before and do 2 single crochets. Even at the border you don't have to really do anything special, so it's very simple. It's great for beginners. It's beautiful and really cute. Thank you guys for watching DIY Ideas. I hope you liked this video. If you would like to watch more, please visit my channel and subscribe for free. Please share this video with your friends and see you next time.